Have you ever found the perfect item online, only to be disappointed when your card gets declined? It's a frustrating experience, but what if there was a way to avoid this? Today, we're diving into the world of buy now, pay later, BNPL, services and exploring whether Zippay is the universal solution. Building context, BNPL services have gained immense popularity in recent years, offering consumers flexible payment options. One of the most prominent players in this space is Zippay. But can you use Zippay everywhere? Let's find out. Main content. Understanding Zippay. What is Zippay? How does it work? Eligibility criteria. Benefits of using Zippay. Where can you use Zippay? Online shopping. Popular e-commerce platforms, Amazon, eBay, etc. Niche retailers. Travel websites. Subscription services. In-store purchases. Physical stores with Zippay integration. QR code scanning. Limitations. Specific merchants and categories. Country restrictions. Factors affecting Zippay availability. Merchant integration. Zippay's partnerships with retailers. Technical requirements. Consumer demand. Popularity of BNPL services in different regions. Regulatory environment. Government policies and restrictions. Pros and cons of using Zippay. Pros. Flexible payment options. Interest-free periods. Easy application process. Cons. Potential for overspending. Late fees and interest charges. Credit impact. Alternatives to Zippay. Other BNPL services, Afterpay, Klarna, Lay-by. Credit cards, traditional payment methods. Store-specific financing, retailer-offered plans. Real-world examples. Success stories, consumers who benefited from Zippay. Challenges, instances where Zippay couldn't be used. Tips for using Zippay effectively. Budgeting, plan your purchases wisely. Pay on time, avoid late fees. Understand terms and conditions, read the fine print. Conclusion. While Zippay offers a convenient way to make purchases, its availability can vary depending on factors like merchant integration, consumer demand, and regulatory restrictions. It's essential to research and compare different BNPL services to find the best option for your needs. Remember, responsible spending is key to avoiding financial pitfalls. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or experiences with Zippay, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy shopping.